Hello. The following instructions will walk you through the installation of the Haws Model 1931 bottle filler display replacement. Required tools for the installation include a Phillips head screwdriver or a 5/16 nut driver, a 1/4 inch bit driver, a T20 Torx bit, which is supplied with the kit, and a wide flathead screwdriver. Start by disconnecting electrical power to the unit at the breaker. Remove the cooler skirt or skirts, if it is a high-low unit, by removing the 4 sheet metal screws from the bottom of the unit. With the skirts removed, unplug the power cord from the wall. Remove the mounting screws for the bottle filler located on either side of the fountain using the T20 Torx bit. If a high-low unit is installed, it may be easier to remove the left side high unit to access the mounting screw, but it is accessible without removal of the high side unit. Disconnect the bottle filler inlet tubing from the 90-degree elbow connector and remove the lower piece of tubing insulation from the now disconnected supply. Now slide the bottle filler up and away from the upper mounting bracket until the wiring harness connector is accessible. Then, disconnect the wiring harness by pressing the release and gently pulling. Follow this by disconnecting the electrical connector for the LED wires, following the same process. Press the release and gently pull. You may now fully remove the bottle filler. Remove the 8 screws on the back of the bottle filler in any order, and separate the display from the bottle filler. The display is held in place with a strong adhesive tape. Some force is required to separate it from the bottle filler. A flathead screwdriver can be used to assist with removal. With the original display now set aside, remove the adhesive backing from the new display and mount it to the bottle filler, pressing it firmly to ensure adhesion. Then, reverse steps 4 through 9 in the installation instructions found in the operation and maintenance manual. Follow the diagram shown to tighten the 8 screws on the back of the display in order to ensure proper alignment and adhesion. Now, reconnect the LED wires connector for the bottle filler. When you hear a small click, it is fully inserted. Replacing the bottle filler, feed the supply line for the bottle filler through the small opening at the back of the fountain. Then, replace the bottle filler, sliding the mounting arms into the mounting arm holes near the rear of the unit. Reconnect the power supply to the bottle filler, and again, when you hear a small clicking sound, it is fully inserted. Once connected, place the bottle filler onto the mounting arms, pressing down firmly until snug against the fountain. Replace the tubing insulation onto the supply line, and reconnect the water supply line to the 90-degree elbow. Replace the T20 Torx mounting screws on either side of the unit to fully secure the bottle filler to the fountain. You can now plug the unit back into the wall, but do not yet restore power to the unit at the breaker. If the left side unit was removed, replace it now, along with the skirts for both units, and the 4 sheet metal mounting screws holding them in place. Now, restore power to the bottle filler, and utilizing a bottle, purge any air that may have been trapped when the supply was disconnected. This should only take a few seconds. At this point, you have now successfully installed the Haws Model 1931 replacement display. If you have any questions, please contact us at 1-888-640-4297 or visit us at www.hawsco.com. Thank you for watching.